What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to... Где у меня подсказка? What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable a restricted mode on your TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and then go to your profile, and once you are on your profile, click right there at the top right on three lines icon and there select settings and privacy. And once you are on settings and privacy, scroll down until you find digital well-being and go into that, and here you'll find restricted mode. You can tap on that. Now restricted mode is off. And you can turn the settings on or off at any time you want. So now to turn it on, I tap there on turn on, and there I need to set here a passcode to turn on this mode. And then tap next. Then confirm that passcode and set. So now restricted mode is on. If I want to turn it on or change passcode, I need to go back on the digital wellness and set up restricted mode settings right there. I hope this video helped you guys. I hope this video helped you guys. So before you go, please like and subscribe.